Inmates, how is life behind bars? Now, being behind bars has brought me to Corsica. So I'm out here in Corsica, but I wanted to make this quick video to talk to you about the new Harley Davidson Ezcan. A lot of you will know it was announced about 4, 5, 6 weeks ago. We've been waiting for it to come into stock. Now, I've just had confirmation from the office back in the UK that the Ezcans have arrived.
Hey Steve, hope you're having a nice time in Corsica whilst we're all back here grafting in the barn. Just to let you know, the new Laconia Harley Davidson Ezcan is now in stock and ready to ship now.
So please, if you've already placed your orders for any of the Harley Davidson Laconia Ezcans, well then rest assured your Ezcan is going to be shipped out to you ASAP. The others of you who have been waiting for it to arrive will then get online and start placing your orders now. My advice is go onto the filter, the bike filter on the website, select your bike, the Harley Davidson Pan America, and then go onto the product type on the same filter and select a bike thing bundles, and on there you will see all of the popular light pairs. Click on the light pair that you like, the kind of light pair that you think you would want on your bike, and then you'll see that you can configure where you want the lights. For the Harley Davidson, Denali have bought 2 front light mounts. You've got the upper light mount and the lower light mount, depending on where you want your lights to be mounted. Both light mounts will work with the current indicator configuration that you have on your bike. However, if you've got the extra side crash bars on the Harley Davidson, well then I've been advised by Tom back at HQ that lower light mount is not compatible with those crash bars. If you look at the video that I took last week before I came out here, you can see the Harley Davidson that we've got in our own workshop back in the UK. Now, we haven't got any of the light mounts on there at all. That's not because we didn't want to put the light mounts on there. It's because they weren't in stock yet. So we've just used the universal crash bar mounts. So that will also be an option. When you go onto the bike thing bundles, you can select which light mount you want. Then with the horn, you get the compact sound bomb. You can either add it or don't add it. If you do add it, you automatically get the Harley Davidson horn mount in that bundle. And then it's up to you if you want to add a rear light or not. Now, if you want to know why you might want an Ezcan on your new Harley Davidson Pan America, well, if you look at some of the footage I did yesterday, now the Triumph behind me, there's not an official released Ezcan for the Triumph Tiger 1200 and 900 yet, but there will be. And I'm currently testing the 1200 Ezcan whilst I'm out here in Corsica. Something to do with the ambient light on the east side of the island, hence why we need to be here in Corsica, of course. With the Ezcan, you can add extra lights, sound bomb, rear light, and it will not interfere with the dash, the canvas on the bike at all. When I first put the lights on the bike, I've got the lower D3s and the upper D3s, both with clear lenses. And I've got the lower D3 set as a daytime running light, and then the upper D3s come on for full beam only. But I can configure this how I want, and then yesterday I swapped out the clear lenses and put amber lenses on there and configured them in a way where I can have them on as an amber DRL, but then they indicate as well. So the options are endless when you've got an Ezcan on your bike. I mean, if one's not enough, well then you can add 2. Right, that's it from me. So get clicking and we'll get shipping. Meanwhile, I'm going to jump back on the Triumph and get out there and do some more twisties. Stay safe behind bars, and I'll see you in the next video. That's my riding mate getting in the way. He just wants me to hurry up so we can get back on the bikes. That'll already be edited out, don't worry. Yeah. The whole thing will be edited. Oh. Right, okay.